Hey guys, Tashtila everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you how to make Tibetan chapati. The Tibetan chapati and Indian chapati making style is same. The difference is between these two. The Tibetan people love to eat thick chapati and Indian people they making very thin chapati. Alright guys, so before start the video, please hit the red button, it's written subscribe. Also hit the bell, so if you hit the bell, you will get always notification when I upload a new recipe. And if you are visit my channel first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Add the flour, and by the way, here I use white flour. You can use any kind of flour. Next ingredient, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix first the dry ingredient, and we need water. And now I'm gonna make a dough. Add the water slowly. Now continuously knead the dough until not become soft. You have to knead. Once the dough becomes soft, next I'm gonna add half teaspoon of cooking oil. The oil will help to not dry your dough, and plus it will not stick your pot and hand also. Now I'm gonna leave it for 30 minutes. How much longer you will keep the rest of the dough, it will make your chapati very nicely. Now let's make the chapati. Add some dry flour and just follow the video. The sizes totally is all about depend on you how much you're going to make, thick or thin. So I like to make little thick, so I'm using like this size. You can follow the video. And just make a round shape chapati. Now it's ready for cook. So here I already heat my fry pan. Now I'm gonna add chapati. Add the chapati, and once it start the bubble come the chapati, so you have to flip it over this. And same way another side you have to flip it over again. And now you have to press just lightly. And remember that you have to reduce your heat, keep in medium flame. Otherwise it will burn only upside and not cook evenly. Repeat the same process until not finish the chapati. Now my chapati is ready for enjoy. So guys, now you can go with any kind of vegetable as you like. Here I serve with amatase, omelette and peanut butter and butter. So you can go any kind of vegetable as you like. And now this is my final result, and hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and about the more recipe, don't forget to share with your friends and family. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye, and don't forget to leave comment below how it is.